If you're manually keyframing to animate every single word in your subtitles, you know it's frustrating, right? And I get it, I've been there. But recently, I found an easy way to do this in DaVinci Resolve, and that's actually pretty smart. Just one text layer, few modifications using Fusion, and your text preset like Julian Alborna is ready to use. Let's go. Add a text plus layer in DaVinci Resolve. Style it the way you want. Font, size, tracking, let that be set. Now open that text in Fusion page. This is where you get more control to the animation. And do we have to address the elephant in the room? I guess not. Copy the text and right click, paste it as an instance. Now an instance is not a copy. It's the same text being shown at two places. It works in a way that if you want to change some parameters in only the instance template, you can. And if you want to link that parameter into the primary text, you can do that too. So select the instance text, go to the shading tab, go to the third element, right click on the enabled and select the instance. Now disable this element 3. This lets us use it only as a mask. Now go to element 5 and again do the deinstance. Enable it. Change this to border fill. Now change the level from character to word, as because we are animating word by word. And now adjust the horizontal and vertical spacing to separate each word from each other. Go to text of the instance template, right click, add a follower modifier. A follower modifier repeats the animation you did across the text elements like character or word or lines with a delay. Now go to modifier, then go to shading and then go to element 5, exactly where you separated each words. Now keyframe the opacity around 20 to 24 frames. Then go to timing, add a delay, mostly under 0.8 or 0.9. You can do whatever you want. Now the crucial part, connect this instance text to the original text node, and now each word fades in one by one. Now how about we finish this up? Open the spline editor, zoom to fit, select all the keyframes, Ctrl+A, right click, ease out cubic, then straighten this left handle for a snappy start. Now come to edit page, check if this works, and if not, use the delay to adjust the timing. Now for more, add an X glow in Fusion and adjust it. Then save this text animation as a preset in your Power Bins so that you can reuse it in every other project. And that's literally it. Once you save this in your Power Bins, you never have to build it again from the scratch. Just drag and drop into your any project. And good for you, I have 2 more presets just like this. If you want, you can check the description and download it for free. So if this saved you some time, do subscribe. I put out stuff like this pretty regularly. So see you in the next one. Bye.